Welcome back. Last time, we met our inner regal lion, that part of us that loves to feel strong and confident and always wants to grow. Today, let's face the cunning opposition manager, always trying to mess with our minds and set traps that look tempting but end up leaving us feeling empty. Let's explore these tactics together. First up, it plays the Doom and Gloom strategy. The opposition manager starts by making us believe the world is full of danger and there's not enough for everyone. As every news headline screams negativity, making our inner lion constantly search for threats that may never come. Imagine you're in a room with mirrors that make you look smaller and less confident. "You are not enough," it shouts. This can make our lion overprotective, preventing us from taking chances or growing. Next, the opposition manager plays another trick: extreme competition. The media paints life as a high-stakes game, making us feel like we must always be ahead of others. In this view, success is like a pie that's never big enough for everyone. We start believing that we have to beat everyone else to get our share. It turns life into a constant battle. We start feeling envious of others' wins, as if their success takes something away from us. Picture a classroom where the air is thick with the buzz of competition. Here, the race is for marks and grades, symbols of academic dominance. Desks become battlegrounds, and fellow students become rivals in the quest for the top spot. The rules are brutally simple: score more, rank higher, and outshine others. The true essence of education, to enlighten and inspire, is lost in the race of grades and rankings. Fast forward several years. Now you're at work and there's a race to get the Employee of the Month award. But here's the catch: to win, you have to beat your teammates, the very people you share your lunch with. The rules are clear: sell more, do more, be more. Suddenly, work feels less like a community and more like a battleground where only the fiercest one survives. But at the end of the day, who's really winning? Sure, the company's profits climb. But you? You're left feeling like a battery running on empty while the big bosses toast their success. Finally, let's unpack the last strategy: the Approval Mirage. It's a sneaky trick where we start to believe our self-esteem depends on thumbs-ups from the world around us. The belief that to be strong and worthy of respect, we must collect likes, compliments, and nods from others. Take a scroll through social media. Everyone seems to be on an endless vacation or achieving new milestones in their careers or lives. Click. There's a photo of an old classmate posting about his new job title after getting the latest promotion. "Look at me! I'm winning!" Our lion, feeling the pressure, puffs up and puts a competing post. But the only thing we're truly contesting in this trap is who can craft the most convincing illusion of a perfect life. Then, there's the mirror trap. This one's about our looks, spending more than we should on makeup or clothes or chasing the perfect image. Sure, it's nice to feel good about our appearance, but when we start believing we need to buy beauty, we're buying into a lie. A costly one. And how can we forget the glitzy world of ads? Imagine a billboard that whispers, "Are you truly powerful if you don't drive our brand new supersized SUV?" It's a trap that preys on our lion's desire to be king of the jungle. But think about it. Who's really getting the crown here? The ad guys, smiling to the bank because we bought into the idea that a fancy logo makes us better than the guy next door. All these traps, cleverly laid by the opposition manager, are designed to entice our inner regal lion. They promise fulfillment, but lead us into a maze of comparison and competition. They seem to make us feel good, but they're not about us. They're about making us buy, click, or sign up for what others are selling. Take a moment and think back to the times you've felt caught in these traps. The rat race at school or work, the luxury items that lost their shine too quickly, or the social media posts that craved for likes yet left you feeling empty. Recognizing these traps is the first step to stepping out of them. In the next video, we're going to turn the tables. We'll arm our regal lion with power-ups, strategies to strengthen our inner leader. Get ready to unleash the full might of your inner lion.